I'm going to show you how an architect can convert a dated house like this into an extraordinary dream home with a few architectural tweaks, adding massive value to your property and making a place you love to live in. This is Space to Place Workshop, where we transform spaces into places. Today I'm in South London, Zone 6, checking out this unassuming 3-bedroom semi-detached house for £695,000. But guess what? It's hiding a secret. Based on sales in the area, this house could be worth up to £1 million once we're done with it. The house has a living room and garage at the front, with a dining room and small kitchen at the back. All of the spaces are blocked off from each other by partition walls, making each room feel isolating. The standout feature of the home is the lush back garden, offering bags of outdoor space in the cramped city. Sadly, there's little connection between indoor and outdoor spaces in the current layout. Here's my proposal. First, we knock down the walls between the kitchen and dining room, then we build an extension to the rear and to the side, creating one large family room with living, kitchen and dining area that have expansive views to the garden. There's also space to add a utility room and downstairs bathroom. The front room can act as a second reception, catering to the specific needs of the homeowner. Let's take a look at the results. Here's the kitchen and dining room before. Both rooms are cramped and featureless. Nothing draws the eye's attention other than the awful heavy curtains that limit natural daylight, and there is zero connection between the spaces. Here's after. A beautiful, expansive living space with clearly defined kitchen, living and dining areas that you can easily flow through. The kitchen's green timber finish makes it a powerful anchor in the room, drawing the eye without overtaking the place. On the right, we have 2 fireplaces that define the living areas. The furniture is modern but timeless. It feels luxurious but relaxed. The living area has great connection to nature, with floor-to-ceiling glass windows to the back garden, and the skylight acts as a huge sun trap. You could spend hours in this room reading a book or with your family playing games. The old living room was plain, with walls so bright it felt clinical. Its best feature was the fireplace, which I have kept as a focal point of the room. Now we have a zen home office perfect for remote working with 2 zones, a desk for focused work and armchairs for relaxed reading. The oak hardwood floors, plush rug and peach painted walls create a warm, intimate space that calms you as you work. Now, let's head upstairs to continue this transformation. Currently, the main bedroom and family bathroom are at the front. The second and third bedrooms are at the back, and in the middle, there's a hallway and WC. To make the house even better and increase value, we want to add a 4th bedroom and give the main bedroom its own ensuite bathroom. First, we'll take away the WC. Then, we'll extend the house to the side to make 2 new comfortably sized bedrooms. The family bathroom will become the ensuite for the main bedroom, and the old 3rd bedroom will be the new family bathroom. Before, the main bedroom had big, heavy furniture that made the room feel small. The old wardrobe took up too much space, and the carpet that collects dirt easily looked dated. Here's after. We have flipped the room layout to add a new door to the ensuite. All the furniture is now on legs, lifting it from the floor, making the room feel bigger and lighter. The new chevron hardwood floor looks beautiful, and the teal green wall adds a calm and cool feel, which the plants complement lovingly. The new wardrobe is tall and elegant, adding a rich, warm colour to the room. The old bathroom was functional and modern, but bland. We want to make it a relaxing, special place. The 3rd bedroom with its bay window is perfect for this. The new bathroom has a big freestanding bathtub that looks out onto the garden, perfect for a long soak and a good book. The floor and walls are covered in big, beautiful stone tiles, making the room feel luxurious and spacious. The sink is on a cool blue counter that hides the pipes and adds an exciting touch to the room. Let me know what you think of my transformation in the comments. Eager to see more incredible renovations and get inspired for your own space? Like, share and subscribe to join our journey at Space to Place Workshop. Next time, I'll show you another awesome transformation in North London.